Most courses or tutorial videos on the market rarely focus on how to work with mature skin. However, in my experience, the majority of my clients are in the mature skin category. If you're a beginner or currently doing procedures, you'll likely notice that many of your clients also fall into this group. That's why it's crucial to understand how to properly perform semi-permanent powder brows on mature skin. Mature skin, typically age 55 and above, tends to be thinner, less elastic, with more wrinkles, and it has more difficulty absorbing pigment. It's also more prone to trauma. These characteristics make it harder to work with standard pigments and single needle techniques. From my years of hands-on experience, I've found that using Ever After pigments, adding water, and combining it with my custom-made diluter delivers great results on mature skin. For this skin type, ombre powder brows is by far the most suitable technique. Recommended needles: 0811 3, 1211 CNCM, 1213 cm, 1215 cm, Curve Magnum. These larger or multi-needle configurations help reduce trauma to the skin. When pigments are diluted with more fluid, only grouped needles can maintain the grip to implant pigment into the skin effectively. With a highly diluted pigment, single needles often struggle to penetrate the skin and are more likely to cause damage. While single needles are excellent for creating detailed work, they are better suited for healthy, elastic, or younger skin. If your client has rough or sagging skin, previously overworked brows, skin damaged by multiple PMU sessions, laser pigment removal history, then this mature skin approach will be especially helpful. Recommended machine: I use the Mass Tour with a 3.5mm stroke, as multi-needle configurations require a stronger machine to push the pigment consistently and evenly. Technique tips: work slower than usual. Lower your machine speed. This helps reduce trauma and allows the pigment to settle more evenly into the skin. A new chapter on ombre powder brows for mature skin has been added to the PMU 101 online course under Married with PMU. You can find the link in the description. The price is very beginner friendly. Thank you again for supporting my channel.